Hi everyone, welcome back. I popped into Michael's today and look, they have their spring paper pads out already. I was really surprised. I didn't think that they would be out so soon. So this one is called Darkly Ever After, and it's different. I think if you are into, the astrological horoscope, the moody types, I think this paper pad would be a really good option for you. There aren't too many blank pages in there. The next one is called Wildflower Cottage, and I did think this one was really pretty. I think this one would be great for like children's journals, like Disney Princess or Alice in Wonderland, maybe. The little golden book journals. I think these pages would be really cute. I loved the strawberries and the fruit. I thought that was really cute, and the colors are really soft and sweet. The next one is called Jet Set Joy. And this one was kind of fun. If you like to do a travel journal, if you're going somewhere tropical this year, I think this would be a really fun one. And the pages, some of them look like they have texture on them, like a beach towel or a beach blanket. And I like the watercolor effect on some of the pages as well. I thought this one was pretty good. I liked it. I'm not going anywhere tropical this year, though. Sad to say. The next one, this was interesting. This was a book club one. And if you remember, they did a book club pad last year. And this one is a totally different color palette. Last year it was more of kind of a retro color palette. And this one is more spring, the lighter colors. And I thought it was really cute. I'm on the fence if I'm going to get it because I do like to make book lover journals, and I think this would be a really cute one to do. And they're only $11.99. I don't remember them being that cheap last year. I might wait for them to go on sale. This is called Avenue Montage, and I wasn't quite sure what the theme was. Were they going with like a Happy New Year or a Parisian theme? I'm not real sure, like a Fifth Avenue. I wasn't quite sure about that one. So it's probably one I will pass on for. This one I think is really cute. It's Sprout and About. And I love the names of their paper pads. I wonder if they had AI help them with the paper pads. This does have a couple of blank pages in it, more than the other paper pads. But those strawberries, so cute. And I love, again, the seed packets, the cherries. This one's really cute. I'm probably going to end up buying this one, even though I don't need it. Yeah, I think it's really cute. I like that page for sure. And then I kind of breezed past this one, so I wanted to show you that one again. Really cute. I think there were 10 new paper pads. This is Dolce Citrus, and I thought this was really cute. So last year I did a Mediterranean theme for one of my Patreon months, and I'm always ahead of the curve, it seems like. So this one I think is really cute. I'm wondering if this is going to be a big trend this year, this Mediterranean look. It'll be interesting to see if it pops up elsewhere. I am going to be doing a best of 2025 projects and videos, and Mediterranean will probably be one of the ones. I really liked the things that I made for that month. And this one here was Westward Drift. My hand was getting tired. I had to switch hands. And this is, a Western theme. I have, really no interest in this one, but some of you all might like it. Let me know which paper badge you all might pick up. This one has a lot of muted colors, the tan and the browns and the light blues and peach. Um, So let me know if you're going to get any of these paper pads and which ones you think you might get. Now this purple Perfection, I got excited because purple is my favorite color, but it didn't wow me. It's, a solid paper pad, has some nice basics in there. Um, I don't know if I'll pick it up. Maybe if it's still around when it's going on clearance, maybe I'll pick it up then. I don't know. We'll see. There's a few cute pages in there, but I don't know. Um, they also had a solids paper pack, like like they did last year, and these are brighter than last year's. Last year's were more pastel, and these are still kind of pastel family, but they're brighter, if you know what I mean. So they're all 48 sheet paper pads and single sided, and they're $11.99. They're not on sale right now. But let me know if you're going to buy any of them and which ones you might get. I might pick up the Sprout and About. I I really like the colors in that one, and I am drawn to this Wildflower Cottage one, so I might get that one because I do want to do some Cinderella journals and another Alice journal. And I might pick up the Book Lovers paper pad as well, just because it's a good one to have in my book lover journals. All right, so that's all. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.